Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce research expenses with SurveyMonkey. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the SurveyMonkey website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, select Create Survey from the dashboard. Choose a template that matches your research needs or start from scratch. Add questions to your survey. Consider using a mixture of multiple choice, open-ended, and rating scale questions. Make sure to keep your questions clear and concise. Use the preview option to see how your survey will look to respondents. Next, adjust the settings for your survey. You can choose whether to make your survey anonymous or identifiable. Decide on the audience you want to target for your survey response. Share your survey through various channels, like email, social media, or by embedding it on your website. Monitor the progress of your survey in real time. Check the responses as they come in, and analyze the data using SurveyMonkey's built-in tools. Utilize filtering options to gain deeper insights into specific segments of your audience. Once enough data is collected, generate reports to summarize the findings. Export your results in various formats, such as PDF or Excel, for easy sharing. Evaluate the findings to inform your research decisions. And that's how you can effectively reduce research expenses using SurveyMonkey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.